Welcome to Aromagees Botanica. We're located in Nashville, Tennessee, and www.aromagees.com. So here we have our meditation oil. Let's see if we can get it tied up there so you can see it. Yeah, so this is our meditation oil, and it's used to aid in meditation or self-reflection. And so this oil calms the mind, focuses your thoughts, grounds your emotions. Some of the ingredients, let's see if we can shake that up and show you. Some of the ingredients are sandalwood, myrrh, frankincense, and the base is fractionated coconut oil. So you can use this to anoint yourself before you go into meditation. You can even use it to anoint some of your tools that you keep in your sacred space, or your meditative space, I suppose. Let's see. And you can also use this in an oil burner. Just put a few drops in your bath to help you get into a good state of meditation. And keep in mind, you don't have to be a part of a specific spiritual path or religion to use this oil. Anybody can use it to gain some inner peace during your, when you're contemplating all the things going on in the world or just trying to be present. You can use this meditation oil. And if you want to order it, you can just go to www.aromagees.com.